You're a dork.
I don't want to feel the poo. Can't lose.
Shut the door. Shut the door.
Nasty.
Come on, you can do it. Plug your nose. Come here. Come here. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Hold your nose and go.
Why can't you do it?
Go.
I'm never
You're a
gonna
dog.
do this again.
Okay, just go.
I'm never gonna do
Go.
this again.
Go clean it up. We're wasting time here.
I can't do it. I can't do it. Please
If
do
I pick it up, you have to take it out to the trash.
Fine. But you
Take a
have to
camera.
like do it like put it like that.
Oh my god. Take out this. I don't need.
Oh, I didn't want to feel
Hold
the
this.
poo. I don't need this. I'm looking.
Shut up.
It was nasty. That's nasty. You left a little. Left a little. Oh, chicken nugget. Ew.
Go take it out. That simple, God. Outside.
Over here.
You know, Aileen, it was that simple. You can just do that. Little chicken nuggets.
Oh, smell.
You can't expect it to.
It should.
You can't expect it to smell like flowers.
It should. Crap, smell like candy.
Because then every little girl and little boy would want them.